Kani kadega batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi daka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Bun gibriu gidon yala ka sap ka bakerpang haki, ka bor ka baburi hapo jongki. Bat kim tip setia ya kata. Don gibaong bagita gibriu gilong psychic lani gidon ya kata ka bor supernatural. Haga jing shisha ka jing don jongki ya kata ka bor kalong shibenta jong ka jing imbrio. Nrei kinom tip setia tat hado ondaladon giba kedau giba yalam lenti yaki bakin salak ban penon kam ya kata ka bor baplah hapo jongki. Bat bakila ban itu ban pule ban Ïohi wat hadu bala tap lup ya Khmat ro mentangan yalam ya pi sakawai ke jaka ke badon hang ni apo sorba Shillong haga ba fin Ïohi dalaki jong Khmat ba kumno Jinghikai ya Khmat ban penon kam ya kata kabor. Hapo shnong mau ba kadon ka seva center bala penyait daka art of living haga bala ai Jinghikai ya ki heb barit halor kani ka phang kata kumno ban penon kam ya ka bor ban Ïohi lengba ki jain tap Khmat haga ktien nong wei ki ong kadai ka jing penon kam ya ka Khmat ka balai lani ka third eye.
Background is basically we take children to a deep state of silent meditative state from where they can assess intuition. We all have intuition within us, gut feeling, by birth. But nobody taught us how to tune into that frequency, like to catch onto the radio or transistor. You have to tune into the right frequency. So intuition is also tuning to the right frequency, catching the right thought at the right time. So we train the kids. We take them to the deep meditative state, silent, rest, relaxation, and from there they can pick up the right thought at the right time.
And I'm with him, and I'm gonna solve all the puzzles.
What will you do?
I'm gonna solve all the puzzle.
Okay. How old are you, Naki?
6.
Okay. What class are you in?
1. Class 1.
Okay, now let's see how you solve the puzzle.
Shillong, I have started training since March this year. So right now more than 50 children have already taken up the training. 3 months, they can do it within 2 sittings. Most of them pick up at the first sitting.
Actually, he was already connected to the Seva Center, and he voluntarily chose this course, and I liked it. Prior to sending him to this course, I was on the YouTube videos and all, which was a little bit unbelievable. Still, I wanted to go with it. That's why I sent him to this course.
Hello, my name is Shaurya. Today I'm going to read the story Jungle Book. One day, Mother Wolf heard a roar in the jungle. It was a tiger called Sher Khan. He had found a man cub and was chasing him. We will keep that man cub safe, Mother Wolf told Father Wolf. My name is Sar. I am going to do currency reading. I am of 10 years old. I studies in class 4. The number is 885837. It is 50 rupees. The number is 859295. It is 500 rupees. It's $5. The number is 7247160. I have to do some more. It's 20 rupees. It's Nepal note.
Good, fine. You're comfortable? Okay. So this is a line so that we know how much is strong.
Well done.
It is through intuition and the gut feeling, because he'll be witnessing the cards without using his 5 senses. He'll be moving beyond 5 senses to know what colors they are.
Are you ready, sir?
Should we start? Okay, all right.
Yellow,
Louder.
blue, pink, red, pink, green, yellow, purple, blue, red, dark green, yellow, purple. Green, purple, pink, black, red, yellow, red, blue.
See, this is an ancient science, I would say. It existed long time back. If you study Mahabharata, there was a time when Sanjay would narrate whatever was happening in the warfield too. So here, that time, that skill was there, but over a period of time it has got lost. So Shri has revived back that skill again. See, our ancient people knew what is the distance between earth and sun. They already called science as Bhugol, geography as Bhugol. Earth is round, Bhu is earth and Gol is round. They already knew earth is round. That time they did not had any gadgets to study, but they could download things. They could know how, because they knew how to meditate, how to reach to that state of silence. So here we are training kids to reach to that state of silence where they move beyond the intellect and achieve the highest knowledge which is already there in their consciousness.
Yeah, actually the children learn faster than adults. This is one thing, and another thing is that I just wanted him to enjoy. If we expect too much from the kids, it's like we are asking for the award of our money. but actually he is learning, and these new techniques he is learning, it's actually mentioned in our Vedas also. So this is what the art which has been reformed, actually, what we can say today. It's just a reform of our Vedic teachings only.
There are pads underneath so that the light cannot enter.
Can you see?
Someone from the audience can come and mix the cotton balls. Now everyone pick up a pink cotton ball. If you're done, you can raise your hand and show your partner. Everyone pick up yellow cotton ball. Now I'll spread all the cards on the table. Wait, don't touch, don't touch. Let me tell you what to do. Done? Okay. Now pick up all the cards which has 2 in it. Which has 2 in it. Hold the card and you can raise your hand. One card. You just pick up one card. Leave a card for others also. No? Pick up all the cards which has number 1 on it. Don't fight, there are many cards. Go ahead. The card which has number 1 on it. Pick up a card which has blue color on it.
Not too high. To the camera. Remember where the camera is.
It is basically word of mouth. Those who have already experienced it, you know, they inform others and they get to know. It's basically by word of mouth. Now parents are approaching themselves. Parents are approaching themselves. This is a beautiful art and I really want each and every child to learn it. It is something really beautiful. Children who are unable to see, we have conducted many courses in blind schools and it is really successful. Children can identify colors, they can identify what is written without help of braille. So this is basically moving beyond the 5 senses to a higher level of sense, the 6th sense. So here they use that and they can do it. Certainly it can be useful for them. Maybe they won't be able to see through their eyes after the course, but through the eyes of their mind, they will certainly be able to see things.
And see the same thing.
Yeah, see the same thing. Because you saw the kids, they were doing it without using their 5 senses.
Hai nga kutay marbukor janay mukhim mentangan puli ki picture cards nakabenta jong phi. Key. Horse. Yellow, blue, green, white, black, grey,
My name is Nandini. I will read the card
Without looking.
without looking.
With blindfold.
Yeah.
can do it.
Yeah. Number 3, education.
Turn the card. No, don't raise it. Hold it there. Yes, that's it.
Number 4, thank you God for the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the joy we have.
Their consciousness won't allow them to do so, because intuition comes from the highest level of purity. So person being at the highest point of purity will never think of doing anything wrong. So that thought won't even touch them. No, the child will never do that, because a person who is pure at heart can only reach to that intuitive level, right? So that will not work with the child if the child is with the wrong intentions. No. Firstly, I'm telling you, children, those who are using their intuition, they are meditating regularly, bad intentions won't come near them. They will have ethics in life. We are teaching right now up till 18 years. We have yet not started for further. Let's see in future what Shri plans. It is his technique, it is his plans.
Is it possible?
Why not? With grace, everything is possible. Yeah, I would like to say this is a beautiful gift one can give to your child. This is a best and a beautiful gift, where child will be able to take decisions, what is right, what is wrong, with the help of their intuition. Because not only at academics, at every level of life you need a right thought at the right time. Even if you go for a business and you take one wrong decision, everything goes away. So intuition is not only for academics, it is for all development in life, for everything and for every field.
Yes, of course. And if not in intuition also, he's improved his daily routines, like he is now more in the in his spirituality. Yeah, of course. He is more he's more organized, actually, I can say, and he has more control. Actually, kids have more energy, and if they know how to control that energy, they'll be better humans in future.
And we have to choose our color. Black and white here. And the black comes to white. Okay. Black and white here. We'll give it a queen के ऊपर a queen. अपना रेड कलर दे रेड how do you have this?
For you to come. Put your blindfold on for you to start. They're going to go, no? They're getting late. Start. Put your blindfold. Life would be incomplete if the child is not assessing to intuition, I would say, because mere hard work doesn't pay. You know, when there is a right thought, intuitive thought, then only child can do something more. Otherwise, it's just limited to 5 senses, knowledge within the 5 senses. See, there are 3 kinds of knowledges, I would say. One knowledge is what we read in text. Other knowledge is through our 5 senses, right? For example, we see there is a beaker and a pen in it, but 5 senses will say pen is bent, right? But when you see from a higher level of intellect, you will say pen is not bent, that is optical illusion, right? There is another level higher of knowledge, higher than intellect, that is intuition. So intuition is the highest level of intelligence, I would say. And who would not like their kids to have that higher level of intelligence? Genius would be common if people take up. It is a beautiful opportunity, everyone should avail it.